Hello everyone. I miss wearing normal clothes. I have been spending basically every day in sweatpants and the t-shirt that I sleep in, which a lot of you could probably relate to, and I was just like, I want to actually dress nice. There's this thing that's been going on social media where people put together outfits inspired by books and, the colors and the book cover and everything, and I was just like, outfits and books, two things that I absolutely adore. And I decided to make this video today where I put together a few outfits inspired by book covers. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and tell me in the comments down below if you would maybe like me to do a part 2, because this was so much fun. Also, since this is so fun, I would definitely recommend you do this as well, especially if you like fashion and books like me. And if you do it and decide to share pictures, please tag me on social media. I would love to see it. I'm at Nikki C. Moon everywhere. And yes, let's do this. So it's time for the first outfit. And looks like this. And the book is Small Change by Roan Parrish. I also need to fix my nails, so I'm gonna go do that right now before doing any other outfits. This book is amazing. I'm not gonna spend much time talking about each of the books, but I am gonna have them linked down below to Goodreads if you want to read more about them. Ran into this skirt, which is actually a skirt that my best friend made for me a while ago, and I haven't worn it in a long time, and it kind of fit with this cover, at least I thought so, and so that's the first outfit. I am having so much fun. I'm kind of sweating. It's actually really hot, so I might drink something and yeah, before continuing. But I'm so excited. So this is how it turned out, and I love it. It's all different shades of white, but I am like loving it. I really wish I could go outside right now. I will definitely save all these outfits for the time when I can go outside, but it does feel so nice to just have normal, fancy, nice clothes on instead of sweatpants and the t-shirt I sleep in, you know? Yeah, also, I have this bracelet, which I don't remember where I got it, but I thought, I mean, it is definitely not the color of the eye here, but I don't have anything super similar, and I just thought it gave that tiny pop of color, and I love this outfit so much, so yes. Oh my god. So the next book is Red, White, and Royal Blue, and I am obsessed with this outfit. I'm kind of shook. I love it so much. I never wear overalls. I don't wear denim anymore because it's extremely uncomfortable for me, and I just have other things that I prefer to wear. So I haven't worn those overalls in ages, but obviously I'm not going out in this. I'm not gonna stay in this, but I love it so much. I'm obsessed. I love it, and I feel like it matches the book really well. Now this is what I have, and I'm obsessed, and if you haven't read this book yet, you need to get on it because it's the best thing ever. So yeah, it's time for the next book. I changed my lipstick, and I'm just thinking that you might actually want to know which color it is, because I think it's beautiful. And the lipstick that this is the Sephora Liquid Lip Stain in the shade 38, and the one that I was wearing before is this Milani Shine Liquid Lip Color in the shade 10 Enchanting, so I figured you might want to know. And so this is for Of Curses and Kisses by Sandhya Menon. You might see the bookmark in it, which I need to hide for the photos. But I sadly haven't read this book yet, but Sandhya Menon is one of my all-time favorite authors. I love her, and I need to read this book, and I just loved it. I love the cover, and I wanted to recreate it. So this one isn't exact because I didn't have anything even close to this like greenish color, but I was inspired by JS outfit, especially like the blazer, which I feel like this top matches the color really, really well. I'm not sure if it shows off on camera completely. I think it looks darker on camera, but yeah, and I also decided to change my lipstick to match the top. I felt like it went with the cover, so obviously you might think that some of the outfits I put together don't really match, but it's not about being exact, it's about having fun. So I'm super excited. I need to read this book, and yes, if you have not read Sandhya Menon's books, please get on it. She is truly wonderful. I love her. And yes. Hello, so I'm a dumbass and I completely forgot to vlog this outfit, so this one was inspired by Get a Life Chloe Brown by Talia Hibbert, which is a book that I absolutely adore. I love Talia Hibbert so much. It's adult romance. If you like reading adult romance, I absolutely recommend it, and this is the outfit that I ended up picking out, and I love the pants. I felt like it matched the color of the cover and the color in Chloe's skirt. So I really like the outfit and I love the book. It is time for the last outfit, which is a lot and I love it. I kept the same pants, but I changed my lipstick yet again, and the sunglasses might be a little bit extra because I'm obviously inside, but to be completely honest, I could not find my red normal glasses, and the purple ones did not look good with this, and I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna put these on. So the book for this is Crescent City by Sarah J Maas. The cover is gorgeous. I have not read this yet, but I feel like I did. I love this, and I think I might add a leather jacket to just go all the way. So that's gonna be it for the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more videos. I know that I have not exactly been uploading regularly. I have just been trying to take things easy, and yes, but there are lots of videos that I'm starting to get really excited for, so definitely stay tuned. More content is coming, and I hope you are all safe and healthy and okay, and have a great day, and I'm going to see you soon in another video. Bye!